These storage baskets made a great addition to our guest room. Today we're going to be looking at these decorative storage bins. These do have an odor to them, but it's kind of a nice odor. I don't know exactly how I would describe it. It smells like plants. It smells very earthy. It's quite nice, actually. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box. I'm going to show you how to put these together, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Inside the box, you are going to have 3 sides. So 3 separate pieces that look like this. They are already connected. And then you are going to have 3 bottoms. Basically, all you do is push this inside. And there are little pieces on the bottom that hold it in place. These little pieces right here on the bottom hold this in place. 2 of mine had these exposed and 1 of them had it wrapped. It doesn't matter really either way. They both function exactly the same. I do want to make a quick note that these are kind of dusty when they come in, so you're going to need to clean up after you put them together. I'm using these in our guest room for toiletries. This one has toiletries in it. I have one on a different shelf. This one has shower accessories like poofs. And then I also have one down here. This one has an extra blanket and a pillow.